Earlier, we have started with your PN junction diode. We are using your PN junction diode as a rectifier. So, apart from your PN junction, we are having some special purpose diodes also. In special purpose diodes, we are having tunnel diode, we are having varactor diode, we are having Shockley diode. All these are some of the special purpose diodes. Now, if you are going for your diode, we are having two phenomena. One is your Zener effect. What is this your Zener effect? Zener effect means you are having Zener effect. Zener effect means here you are having a PN junction. So this Zener effect you will have in the reverse bias condition. Okay. So whether you are having your Zener effect or whether you are having this Euler effect, all these say both of these will be there in case of your reverse bias condition.
అదే ఎట్లే సరే ఏదా ఇప్పుడు
Bias condition. Reverse bias condition means p-type material is connected to negative and n-type material is connected to the positive of the battery. Okay, this is your reverse bias condition. Your this Zener effect, it will be in case of your reverse bias only. So here what you are having? You are having p-type material, you are having n-type material. Between them you are having this is called your depletion layer. This is your p-type material, this is your n-type material, and this is your depletion layer. So if you are seeing the depletion layer, in the depletion layer towards your p-type, you will have your free electrons, and towards n-type, here you are having holes. So in your depletion layer, whatever you are having free electrons and holes, it will be reverse. You will be having the reverse. Now here, when we are giving the DC voltage, and if we are increasing this DC voltage, if we are increasing this DC voltage, there will be effect on this depletion layer. What will be the effect? The effect will be there will be reduction in the depletion layer. Whatever this width of the depletion layer will be, the width of the depletion layer will get reduced because of this increase in external voltage. In this DC voltage, there will be reduction in the depletion layer. Let us assume that this is the modified depletion layer. This is the modified depletion layer. So here what is happening, that let us assume the width of the depletion layer is your 10 nanometer, and the external voltage that we are applying, let us assume that we are applying the 2 voltage, then you will have the electric field. You will have the increased electric field. So what is this increased electric field? You will have an increased electric field of around 2 into 10 to the power 8 volts per meter. So what we have done, we have just given a 2 volts and having an electric field of around 2 into 10 to the power 8 volts per meter. And where you are getting it? You are getting this electric field in the depletion layer. Here in the depletion region, you are getting it that much electric field. And as you are getting that much electric field in the depletion region, it is sufficient to break this depletion layer. Okay. And if there is a breakdown because of this electric field, that is called your Zener effect. Okay. And when we say that you are having this Zener effect, you will have the Zener effect if you will having the breakdown before your minus 6 volts. Say this is your reverse characteristics. So suppose if you are going for your PN junction diode, if you are going for your PN junction diode, this is your forward bias condition and this is your reverse bias. This is your forward bias and this is your reverse bias, and this point, this is called your breakdown voltage. You are having the knee voltage. In forward bias, you are having the knee voltage. Suppose if you are going for your silicon type, per where with small increase in voltage, if you are having sharp increase in current, that is called your breakdown voltage. And if the breakdown occurs before your 6 volts, that you are having this breakdown because of your this Zener effect. Okay, we will go for your avalanche effect. We will go for your avalanche effect. Avalanche effect, it will also be there. It will be there in case of your reverse bias condition only. Okay, and you will have the avalanche effect above 6 volts. In case of your diode, as we have seen that if it is less than 6 volts, then that is for your Zener effect. Same thing if it is there above 6 volts, that is your avalanche effect.
इसको बोला है इसको बोला है इसको बोला
Intake material, you are having intake material. Intake material is connected to negative and intake material is connected to positive of the battery. Here, when we are increasing the voltage, you just see this is one electronic configuration. Here, say the outermost orbit where you are having partially filled, whether you are having partially filled electron, that is called your valence band. So, or it will be partially filled. Okay, then we can go for one imaginary band. This imaginary band D. This imaginary band, it will be empty. So this imaginary band may be empty or it may be partially filled. But if we are going for a valence band will be partially filled or totally filled. Okay, so here you are having valence band, here you are having the conduction band. Okay, here you are having this conduction band. Now when we are giving this external voltage, because of the external voltage, this electron will collide with other electrons. These electrons will collide with other electrons, and here you are seeing, here you will have same number of electrons and holes. Inside you will have the same number of electron and hole pair. So collide with that electron hole pair, and it is trying to take this electron. So more and more electron will be generated. So there you will have a term called carrier multiplication. Electron is colliding more and more electron, and they are again generating more and more electron. So electron hole pair, they are separated and more electrons are generated. So if that type of process is there, then that is called your carrier multiplication. And because of the carrier multiplication, with small increase in your reverse voltage, you will have a drastic increase in your current. Okay, if you are having this type, that is called your avalanche effect. So the summary is, avalanche effect will be there above 6 volts, Zener effect will be there below 6 volts. In both the cases, what is happening, with a small increase in voltage, there is drastic increase in current, and in both you will have both effect